Kia ora koutou whānau, e titiro mai, e whakarongo mai ki tēnei whakāturanga Kiimai Māori. Aoitepö, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai. Welcome back everybody. This is week 2. Man, have I had some awesome feedback about our karakia. You wouldn't believe who's out there and who want to do and share our karakia. I know that I can say on behalf of all of our tipuna, mine, yours, and all of them put together, they'll be so proud of this and so proud of you guys. All of us, all of our contribution. All you guys out there that are rocking it out, like you're doing it like a workout. It's like, it's awesome. It's fabulous. It's worth the effort that's going in to prepare these. It's just so rewarding. Even the kaiako is nourished. So keep up the great work. Today we're going to have a look at a more of an expanded picture and a bit more imagery to support Karakia tuarua. The big shout out to the universe. That's us. Don't go too far away. Grab yourself a drink, maybe a towel to wipe down, and we're going to rock it out. 2-for-1 special. Karakia tuarua. Shout out to the universe. Mihi ki te Taiao. I'll see you back shortly. Doits! Just before we start, paku whakamārama, little explanation about today's work. Mahi rākau, we'll be using the Cuisinart rods, the Atarangi method of sharing. They're probably going to tell me off, but we will be doing it in bilingual because we're not in-house, and I know not everyone out there has the reo. And even those who do, this is still okay just to help strengthen and whakapakari tō reo. And I know you'll understand out there, whānau. Ka pai. Secondly, there'll be a little Waiata I've put in there to support the sentiments of this karakia. So a little one verse out of one of our Waiata to support this karakia. Toru will also have some mahi aringa. Today I was with some students, some whānau, not students. We're all students, ngā pia o te WÄNANGA. I was with some whānau at the Adult Literacy Centre, and they put together some mahi aringa to depict and help facilitate the learning of this karakia. Look out for that. And to finish off, we'll consolidate with our Te Arapiki Tauira model and to help just finish that karakia off. Ka pai whānau, before I do, one thing you can do for me, please, is drink wai Māori. Not too much wai reka and wai piro. And go down, please like the page. Please like and share if you like. If you don't like, then yeah, don't. It'll help me. It'll help me to help others getting such great feedback. That's all I'm saying. Please do that. That will help me. Okay, api mai, api atu, tātou e. See you back shortly. Drink it up, on it. Kia ora whānau, as you know out there, we've got the tutorial, the short, concise clip. 3 or 4 minute clip. Today's going to be a little bit longer, a bit more expanded, but let's start with the karakia for those who are only just joining us. Universal shout out, karakia tuarua, mihi ki te Taiao. Kia tau ngā manaakitanga a te mea ngaro, ki runga ki tēnā o mātou. Kia hua te mā kihikihi, kia toi te kupu, kia toi te mana, kia toi te whenua, kia toi te reo. Kia toi te hauora o tēnā o tātou. Kia tūturu whakamaua kia tīnā, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Ka pai whānau, we're going to cross over to the rākau now, ngā rākau, and to see what this karakia was all about. See you there. Kia ora whānau, here we go, here's our mahi rākau. Just letting you know, I need you to back me up today. We're going to move along quick. It's 6:15. Aotearoa mean Māori mean witch time. And I want this clip up by 7 PM for you guys so you can start rocking into it straight away. So don't be shy to join in with me. Here we go. Just follow along with me. Rangi nui. Anō rangi nui. That's everything relevant to the sky, the ozone and everything. Sky Father. Papa Tuanuku. Cool. Mother Earth, where we dwell, Yeah, we're on there. We're on the papa. We're on the surface. Cool. This here, this bushel, that's all about nature. Nature's own. Nature's best. There's a flax bush. There's the support mechanisms supporting that habitat. Here's some nature's, here's some insects here. Kia hua te mā kihi. We want them to be prolific. We want them to grow in this habitat of Taiao, te Taiao. Here's the birds and the bees. Here's the nectar. Here's the kōrari. Ka pai. Here's me. Here's you. Here's him and her. That represents our contribution and maybe some aspects that we're talking about in this karakia today. This one here is relevant. These are some of the aspects that we can contribute to. Toi te reo, toi te mana, toi te whenua, toi te reo, toi te hauora. These here represent some of the emphatics and the calls to action that we're calling to in this karakia, to the universe and to ourselves. Ka pai? So we're going to rock into it. Over here, I'll get to it later, that's a little Waiata I've put in today to support this karakia. I know you guys have been looking at the tutorial, so I'll bear that in mind that you have looked at the tutorial. If you haven't and it's your first visit today, just picking up on this 2-for-1 special, go back at some stage and then you'll get what this picture's about. The rest of you, whakaroa titiro, kōrero mai, and just follow with me if you can, and we'll go through it twice. These hands are the ones that are going to manaki te whenua. Here we go. Kia tau ngā manakitanga a te mea ngaro. Ki ronga, ki tēnā, o mātou. Kia hua, te makihikihi. Kia toi, te kupu. Kia toi, te mana. Kia toi, te whenua. Kia toi, te reo. Kia toi, te hauora o tēnā, o tātou. Kia tūturu, whakamaua. Kia tīna, haumie, huie, Tāiki. Ka pai whānau? Just follow the little tohu, the little mouse here, the little mouse running around. Yeah, follow the little mouse, or where I come from, Tuhoi, follow that kiore, and let's go. We're going to go again. Ka pai whānau. Sorry whānau, don't tell me off. Here we go again. Kia tau ngā manakitanga a te mea ngaro. Ki ronga, ki tēnā, o mātou. Kia hua, te mākihikihi. Kia toi, te kupu. Kia toi, te mana. Kia toi, te whenua. Kia toi, te reo. Kia toi, te hauora o tēnā, o tātou. Kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīna, haumie, huie, tāki. Tis done in my mind? Yeah, the buddy will follow. Shot whānau, gonna pause there. Pause, drink, and I'll see you back. Here we go, whānau, mahi āringa, using our hands just to depict a picture. Hopefully it may help you. The only thing wrong with what I'm doing today is I'm trying to go along quite quick. It's okay, whānau, just join in with me. I'll get better at doing it, and yeah, we'll all get better at stuff, okay? Māori styles, just roll with it. Here we go. Kia tau, what does that look like? Kia tau. Nurture, look after. Ngā manakitanga. Of something out there in the universe. I'd like to acknowledge it. Te mea ngaro. Upon ki runga. Ki tēnā, o mātou. Kia hua. Te mā kihikihi. Kia toi, te kupu. Kia toi, te mana. Kia toi, te whenua. Kia toi, te reo. Kia toi, te hauora o tēnā, o tēnā, o tātou. Kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīna, tīna, haumi e, hui e, tae ki e. Ka pai whānau, short time, taka ware, taka ngaro, pause, hinu, back. Man, boosting it along today, running short on time, you know what this is. Te arapiki tauira, our little model to consolidate the lesson, and then we're going to finish off with the Waiata. So jump in with me, whānau. I know we're going along quick, but sorry about it. Here we go. Karakia, tuarua, universal shout out. Mihi, ki te Taiao. Kia tau ngā manaakitanga a te mea ngaro, ki runga, ki tēnā, o māta. Kia hua te mākihikihi. Kia toi te kupu. Kia toi te mana. Kia toi te whenua. Kia toi te reo. Kia toi te hauora o tēnā, o tātou. Kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīna, haumi e, hui e, tae ki e. Shot, guys. Gonna double back for the quick Waiata whakamutinga. Man, you're cutting it fine. 20-7. Let's go, whānau. Hey, whānau, over here on this side, I'm offside. We're down here with our Waiata whakamutinga. Tell me about it. It's 10-7. Got no time to edit this. Got no mistakes. Just join in with me, whānau. Our boots and all. Sorry about it. It's just how it is. Here's the question. Who will it be? Who will be the custodians out there? Who's going to manaki all these things? Mā waira. Mā waira, hei taurima. Who's going to take care? Mā waira, hei taurima, te marae, e waho nei e. The marae is the narrative. Who's going to look after the marae and all our gifts that we've been given out there, both Māori and non-Māori, in the whole universe? Mā waira. Here's the answer. Mā te tika, mā te pono, me te aroha e. As it was says to me, son, these things, they will prevail through absolutes, absolute honesty and truthfulness, equity and justice, absolute faith, and absolute love ever abiding. Anyway, rocking along. Mā waira, hei taurima, te marae, e waho nei e. Mā te tika, mā te pono, me te aroha e. I haven't got time to say goodbye, but ka kite, let's join. Finish with me one more time. Mā waira, hei taurima, te marae, e waho nei e. Mā te tika, mā te pono, me te aroha e. Ka pai whānau, enjoy a Māori ora, aroha nui kia koutou katoa, ka kite a tira wiki. I'll catch you next week on Sunday, Karakia tuatoru. In the meantime, peace out, take care, pa nui te aroha. Tihei, mauri ora.